Let's make a creamy, delicious milk popsicles, or ABELEWALLS as popularly known in Ghana. This is a simple yet very delicious recipe, and I'm sure you are going to love it. For ingredients, we have our vanilla essence here, this is Nido, and some flour, as well as condensed milk. And so to begin, we will pour our milk together with water and begin. Be sure to leave me a thumbs up if you love this simple, delicious recipe. Enjoy the rest of the video. Now, my darlings, our popsicles are ready. Yes, these ABELEWALLS are ready to be enjoyed. And in order to take it off nicely and safely from the cup, you want to place them in some water and then allow it to sit for only a little bit. And when taking it out, you want to ensure that you are actually turning the ABELEWALLS or the popsicles instead of turning the stick. Otherwise, the stick will just pull off and all our hard work will be in vain. Yes, so now look at the creaminess, the deliciousness. This tastes so good. This is Orisu's Kitchen. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so very much. And if you are not, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing. Please like the video. And I'll see you in my next upload, my lovely. Until then, take care and stay blessed. Bye-bye.